hope actually.
So what do I have to do?
Oh my God, I forgot. Ito yung bitbit namin. Yan. Sinyan kaila. See which is the...
Well, we have to flip it.
hindi ko target. We're fully loaded. Tarang! Andito na. Yo! Jaman! We have a camping today. It's the first camping of 2026.
Let's go.
Tapos nagkakagulo na. Already 12 when we are still here. Hindi namin alam kung mainit o malamig doon. Actually, last minute booking. Last Thursday only. Go, let's go. Let's see. Kung hindi ka siya electric fan doon, bilhin. Go. Kuya, can you bring the electric fan? Is it okay? So, wala pa kaming lunch. Meron naman kaming reserve na lunch. Our plan is to order a chicken there. Oh, birthday ko. Actually, punong-puno na yung record namin. Okay. Taran! Hindi pala kita. Grabe, punong-puno yung sasakyan namin. The cavalry is here.
What?
Yan, mami, yung ano ba yan, pagkain? Kaya nga nilagay ko dyan sa harap eh. Let's see. I think we can still put it here. Still fits, right? Hindi kita yung likod. So, are you ready? We're here. Ashley is quite shy today. So, kita nyo yung mga dala namin. We're fully loaded. But
Full of pagkain.
I think we're late. Or hindi naman late. Kasi actually yung time, parang yung pagka-camp in doon sa camping site is mga nasa usually 12 p.m. Tapos in case na uwi kayo, nakalagay doon sa Rosilla is 1 p.m. Pero
Galaw na?
law na. Parang hotel din. Pag nag-check-in ka, uwi.
Alas 3 na eh.
Sa hotel, alas 3.
Check
Dito
out.
sa camping, 11 yung sa hotel. So dito, 12 tapos 1. Inaano nila, yung may kasunod ba? Katulad ng yung Shibalo. Hindi pa kami nakapag-camping doon, pero yung sinasabi nila kasi, minsan pag may susunod na magka-camping, na talaga, parang pinapalis. Hindi naman pinapalis. Kumbaga, nire-remind kayo siguro. So, this is our first camping trip of 2026. Medyo mainit ngayon, pero hindi ko sure doon sa taas. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung higher ground. Mas malamig, mas maganda. Ayaw ko naman na masunog kami during camping. Wala pa namang Chinese New Year. Yung Chinese New Year is still sa Monday pa. So may mga bukas pa na shop o mga restaurant. Usually kasi pag Chinese New Year dito sa Taiwan, walang bukas, limited. Gasolina lang tayo parang sure. So wala, nag-breakfast pala ako. Dalawang chicken.
Ito pala yung lunch.
Mami wala.
Ashley din.
Ashley
So,
din
ito,
at siya. Ashley is also on a diet. Ashley, are you on a diet? So why you did not eat breakfast? You don't feel hungry. Then Kuya also eat breakfast. Joe? Jaman?
Yaman pala. Akala ko yaman.
Oh.
Okay.
There's two tissue. There's also red envelope.
Yan yung red envelope naman.
Grabe! Dami ko na red envelope siya binigay sa'yo. Halang Joe. Let's go! So later naman. Okay? Biyahe muna kami. So mukhang ibang way itong dinaanan namin. Medyo maliit. Oo, masyado pala maliit yung daan dito. Mahirap. Hindi ko sure kung baka mamaya motor pala itong ko. Yeah, sabagay ito. Kaya nga siya nalilito siguro, hindi ko sure One way ba to? Hindi ko target.
Atras ka?
Kasi doon tayo atraso.
Why is he atrasing?
Kasi
Dito tayo, dito.
Nanda kasi baka mahulog tayo.
Kaya ba?
Dito na pinaka-best study.
Ha?
Dito na lang tayo. Ito na yan dyan.
Okay.
Gusto ka na doon.
Kaya ba? Kasya sila? Kasya kaya?
Gusto ka pa na konti. Kasi tingin ko sila eh.
Kasya na
Hindi pa rin.
Kasya na yan.
Babae pa ang driver, hindi. I can only see her. Babae, driver.
What the grandma? The grandma!
As I was young.
Oh my
young
God. Do you
person.
see? How many minutes? 10 minutes. Hope there's no car approaching. So next time, never go this way.
Tsaka kung naman buwan doon, masyado maliit.
Pero masyadong maliit na to.
Parang ikasakyan lang.
Parang isang sasakyan lang.
Well, did
Siya
not put
dumaan.
a no car sign there.
Yup. But this is the first time we been to this road. Kasi pangatlo na namin to eh. Ito, tingnan mo naman dyan oh, sa Google.
Tuka ng manok.
Oh, hindi naman nagkamali. Dito kami inano ni Google eh. Oh, may sasakyan din pala dito. Yeah. Oh. So nalampasan na namin yung bituka ng butiki. So ang first campsite namin na pinuntahan dati ni Dudo, yung
Dito.
sa
Ito
oh,
yun.
dito madadaanan natin. So nung haraan dito tayo. So hindi natin madadaanan yung manok. Oh, dito tayo where we camp
Ito na
here.
yun, oh.
Yeah, here in the left side.
Yan na, yan na.
Oh, this is the remember this campsite?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where we camp before. So we go the other way. Yeah, this is the camping site.
Oh, maliit lang.
Tayo lang pala magka-camping.
Yeah.
We can have all this to ourselves. Yeah, and there's a swing. Oh my God.
Walang tao.
There's no one
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, it's so quiet.
Already here, we will ask if this is the... Let's see. Nasolo namin yung camping site. Kuya, come here. Laupan, yaw. Pakita ko sa kanya yung line. Laupan.
哎，
Teka, ni Menda. Kaya tayo.
哎，对对对，你是9号，
Okay.
礼拜一才会有很多人，
On Monday there will be a lot of
你会讲国语嘛？哦，
To. Cherry.
在这里，在9号你的后面就好了。
There's a
Ah, there's a rope.
你们是哪一？
Ito pala may tali. Yeah, Philippine. Tapos doon tayo nakaharap, mami. No, no.
Kanito talaga nito.
That's later.
Okay.
OK，
Okay, siya, Juan. Si si...
我会。
Sinyin kaila. Finally here sa camping site kami lang.
Tayo ngayon?
Tingin ko tayo lang eh kasi alas ano na eh. Solo muna namin. Tapos ito yung bit-bit namin. Yan. Yung puno. So actually we're trying to figure out kung paano ma-minimize yung gamit namin. Pero mahirap talaga eh. Kasi may kasamang dalawang bata, pagkain. So set up muna kami ng tent. Sa bagay ilang beses yun na kami nakikita mag-set up ng tent eh. Okay, are you ready guys? To set up? Okay? Okay, kuya. Oh yeah, you help, kuya. Bring the block here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, ito sa harap to. Dalawang harap. Hindi na natin kailangan idikit-dikit talaga. No? Yan. May enough pa ba tayo dyan na space, oh? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Yan, oh. Cool. Oh. Are you okay? Yeah, thank you. Oh, so kuya already helped unload. Uy! Natulo yung tubig kasi mapaw ata. Okay. Okay, kuya. Okay. Okay. Uy, baba. Yung ilalim yung hindi masyadong madumi eh. Yung madumi. Yabanti ko muna to. Yeah. Yeah. Here you go. Uy. Okay. See which is the...
Well, we have to flip this.
Yes, yeah, I know. We need to see first where's the front and the... ito yung front. Okay. Okay, go. Okay. Yun na. This is the front. Now, mami, sug mo nga. Ngayon, i-flip mo muna. Kasi, ito pala, i-flip natin dito. Ito. I-peel on nyo. Sana, ako na. Kasi, lapaw eh, sobra eh. Yeah, like that. Oh. Right. Okay. Matigas daw yung lupa dito. Pero okay naman. So on here. Grabe, matagal-tagal din kami hindi camping. Nakalimutan ko na kung kasama yung itim. Expert tayo dito eh. Okay. Dapat pala itong included dito yung itom. So, okay. Now, it's time for our pool. Okay. Wait, kuya. Here. This one is here. Yeah. Okay. Yan, mami. Yung dalawang yan, oh. Yan, oh. Dalawa nandun din. Okay. Then the other one here. Ito. So, wada. Okay na, kuya. Okay. Wait. This one here. Okay. Then. Missing nga. Ito. Walang. Ito. Wait. Pasok dyan yung mami, yung sa right side. Yung walang ano, velcro. Ito. Kasi. At. Yan. Kuya, you open this one.
Ay.
Oh my God, I forgot. Tanggalin natin itong isa. Sorry. I forgot. Mali. Pull. Okay. Yung gitna pa pala. Ito, sorry. Yeah, like that. Lock this one. Yun na. Okay. You. Okay. Okay na. Dito muna kay Kuya start. Bakit naman? Ako na. Excuse. Wait lang, Kuya. Yan, that. Kuya, help me. 3 lang, 3. Alright, it's already 3. Pwede na yan siguro. Oh, wait lang, yan. Okay na. Ito.
Nakatuloy na yan?
Hindi pa, i-3 ko pa lang. Okay, wait lang, kuya. Okay. Kuya kasi matangkad niya sa akin. That's it. So ito yung harap namin. So ito yung pinili namin para ito yung harap. Hey kuya, help me. Here. You just fold it first. Okay. Okay. So we have set up our tent. Tapos ano pa, mga konting gamit na lang.
Pare, huwag mo ka electric fan kasi nasa labas ka na.
Pero mamaya tingin ko lalamig to. Dito no. Kuya, it's time for the chair. Ashley! Time for the chair to assemble.
This, what's this?
Chair. Assemble your own chair.
Okay, whoever builds the chair fastest wins.
You like that? Okay, so the curved one is on the top. Two curved ones are on the top.
Okay.
Done?
You have to start from the hole.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Here. Do like that. Here. Here. Oh. Oh. Then, like that. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Ashley's done. That is done.
Where
No, not yet done. Then, yeah, like that, Ashley.
Oh no.
Down?
Oh. That. Tapos sa baba naman. Itong baba. This here. Yeah, put it down. Yeah, put there. Yeah, like that, mommy's there. Oh. This one. Put it here, oh. This one.
Oh wow.
Me. Oh, it's okay. Put it. Oh. Your feet, oh. Then, the other side, flip it. Okay. The same. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Huh?
Oh no.
Excuse me.
No.
Come on, go.
Oh, do like that na.
No wait.
It's okay. Done.
No.
Okay.
This can't fit in.
This one.
What did mommy say?
Done. Okay. Okay.
The first one sit down. Oh.
Oh.
Alright.
God, third. Daddy's last.
My God.
Those.
Snake hole.
Later at night, maybe.
Okay.
Kids.
Ashley.
Short turn. Gonna win. Okay. Hey, be careful with this one, like this one, ah. Okay.
Tyler, you tell where you get this one, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, you don't know.
What do I have to do?
This one, huh? The names are outside, okay?
Okay.
Ashley, we're just a princess, okay? We're just one.
Do like this, oh. Okay.
Just go! Go!
Amalin,
Oh my god, you're so slow! You
outside this one.
Yeah.
got beams!
Ashley, stand up now. Put that in
Yeah.
the side.
Where? The side?
Yeah.
Faster, mommy, faster.
Quiet, daddy.
Think we can-
Unscrew that.
Go on, yeah.
Huwag mo muna ipitan tapos, ha?
Mommy, don't help him!
Oh my God, she's my wife.
Oh no, unscrew!
Pretend.
Wait, which one is in, which one is out?
This one is out, Kuya.
No, baliktad, like that. Okay, put it in, hurry.
Saan nandito?
Put it
Wala to.
in.
Ha? Meron. Yan, nagta na.
Ashley, put this.
Mommy, we're gonna win. I help you.
No! You have mommy! Daddy, you have me here!
Okay.
You're cheating!
I'm cheating. I help you and yet I'm cheating. Ano, luwagan mo muna to, Kuya. Oh. Grabe na siya. Anong tas ang bata ta?
Yay, we win!
You win? Oh,
Why is it like
my
this?
God.
It's hard to put it in that.
Okay.
I went.
Hindi na lock yung ano. Yan.
This one. Okay.
Not this far.
That's one, or we can put it as a letter L. This one.
Starts with L. It's so
Oh,
that.
like this one. Bili nga, kuya.
You're so ugly.
Right. So that's it.
No, that tree bed.
That one? The one? The white one?
You win?
Yeah, totally.
And mom is the most slowest. And I'm the most fastest. And one is the most skinniest ever. And Daddy is a little fat.
So we just finished set up our tent. Then we will go to Manukan country. We will order chicken. Ito rin yung nilakad namin last time ni Dudu. Look at them. Kaya pa? Hello. Vegetables. We had the fried rice, then
Cabbage.
I think that's it. Then the chicken. We got the chicken. It's already chopped. So ito rin yung fried rice. May ano na kami, ano to? Lunch. Tsaka dinner. Let's go na!
So Kuya came from the toilet.
Look, oh, it's nice. Oh. Yeah, let's just take a picture. Okay? Yay!
Mommy was sleeping on the sewage tank.
Eh, there's also a lapik camper. Hey, there's a car. Malapit na lang yung campsite namin. And I'm already hungry. It's a big spider.
Oh damn, look up.
Then we need to prepare our lights because it's getting dark. Ito yung entrance ng camping site namin. What's the name of the campsite,
I
kuya?
don't know, I can't read all of them.
Kuya, you understand this one, oh? What does this mean, oh? Safety. Maganda rin to, oh. Number 4. Number 3, 4. We use the chicken. And madami din pala yung fried rice nila. Yan, oh. So, malaki-laking, ano. Eating time. Lunch pala to, lunch and dinner na to. Tay!
Gabi tay.
Ari nag-camping kami.
Gabi tay.
Okay, Tay, ah.
One more chicken? Chicken?
Plastic. Kuya, can you put my bag there? Wala.
Nothing.
Kaya ma-TikTok ah. Right?
I TikTok like this, so I remove this one later. So like that. Are you still cold? You want jacket more?
This is what looks like ang ano pala, Go Ultra if night mode. Sa gabi.
Maliwanag, di ba?
Ano to ng iLag?
Ano yun?
Flat color. Sang ano, medyo hindi siya naka-pure video pero naka-iLag. Ito yung gabi namin dito sa campsite na to.
Dapat nagdala tayo ng ano pala.
Uno?
Let's go back.
Ah, yeah, we forgot the Uno. Actually, don't like the smell of the beer. This one, you don't like the smell? Yung smell nga. Ngayon, nag-camping lang dito is mga bilang lang.
Those are also
Dalawa.
tatlo.
Ah, yeah, we're only 4. So, not sure kung kita nyo yung yan, yun dun yung isa. Tapos dito yung dalawa. Here's our tent. Tingnan natin kung maliwanag pa rin. Kung Go Ultra tayo. Ah, hindi na. Madilim na dito. Hindi masyadong malamig. So maya gana, sleep na.
Early feed.
Are you sure na pwede na?
So malinis yung campsite na to. Bukas magluluto si Mami. Okay, put it there.
Nandun pa rin sa loob ang ano? Gloves?
She close.
Actually, ito lata. Yun. Ilan yung ano nila restaurant? Isa, dalawa.
Yan yan, babae na.
Okay. Merong lalaki, babae. Merong babae lang. Nakalock. So, dalawa lang yung open.
You're not supposed to take off your shoes.
Why? Doon pa pala yung CR sa kabila. May CR pa pala doon.
I lead the way.
Tomorrow we will charge her. But it's okay, we will sleep na. It's 10 already and
10, 9:30.
kailangan namin matulog na maga. Because we will go adventure tomorrow morning.
Ashley, chance mo.
Going coffee.
Saan ka ba? Kala ko pa pag ganun tayo.
Kapag ganun, okay. Ganun ta. So this is what it looks like inside our tent. You see? Quiet na. Kuya will sleep na. So tomorrow we will have barbecue, right?
Lunch?
Maybe night afternoon. So good night, guys. Where's the light here? Ashley. Scary. Oh.
I want like
So this is our day 1. So what we did in our day 1, put up our tent, buy chicken, do walking,
tomorrow.
do some archery. Tomorrow we will play racing game.
What?
Yeah, tomorrow barbecue time.
Yes?
Okay, good night, guys. Hey, Kuya, good night.
Tomorrow.
Love you.
Going home.
Hey,
Tomorrow.
yeah, good night, Ashley. Love you.